Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 5th, 2018. Taking a look at homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got independent practice 5.4, dividing decimals. Make sure that you're going through and dealing with the decimal first, and then dividing, and then adding any zeros if we have a remainder. The examples that we did in class should help you and with your homework, and they should be a good example as to what you need to do. The honors class, they are finishing Module 5 quiz in class today. In science, there's no homework for the regular science classes, but in honors, you do have a research outline. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we are working on the steps of the writing process. Today, our packet, we are going to be doing page 3, which is pre-writing. In literature, we need to read 30 minutes. And that's going to be it for this evening. One tidbit of information: if you did not get your science or your social studies projects done, which is the element presentation and the Lucy slideshow, you need to go ahead and get that done and get that turned in. If you did not do science, or if you did not present in science today, you will have the opportunity to do that here coming up starting tomorrow. So maybe you need to go home and practice your presentation at home. That is something, by all means, you are welcome to do. It's going to be it for today. Have a good one.